So when you're working with this KREG jig for installing drawer slides, it's important to get the edge of the jig right along the edge of the frame, because that shows you on the back side here, it shows you where the back of the drawer slide should be, so that you get a true parallel installation of the drawer slides. So one thing I've decided to do is put an edge on the back of this jig to hold the drawer slide right to the edge. So I just take a shim and a screw, and there's an existing slot here that I don't have to modify the jig. I just tighten that down a little bit, and now I've got an edge right here that's parallel to the edge, and it's a stop, so that the drawer slide will run on that and stop. And so what this is going to do for me now, when I go to install the drawer slide, I can push it right up to the back of that stop there that I just screwed into place, and then I know for sure that the drawer slide is going to be screwed parallel to the front face here.